Welcome to the Waiariki Jones Road Safety Show.
Mums and nanas are both great at cooking, but not always driving. So if you have a nana or a mum that needs to see this video, make sure you share it with her.
And this show is about teaching idiots how to drive and how to
Not drive like this camper van travelling in the fast lane doing 70k in a 100k zone.
I don't have a whiteboard, so I'm going to have to use the splashback on the back of my kitchen, and I don't have a whiteboard marker, so we're using this pen to show you idiots how to drive. First step, we're approaching the round intersection. So now we have the roundabout, and Jimmy here, this guy here, in the black Ford Telstar, whatever car you want it to be, Jimmy is wanting to go straight through the roundabout. So when Jimmy goes straight through the roundabout, you know what he does? He doesn't touch his indicators. You don't indicate right when you're getting into the roundabout. You don't indicate left when you get into the roundabout. You're going straight through, so you don't touch your indicators and you just drive straight through the roundabout. Driving straight through, boom, you've made it, all right? Lots of people, they'll indicate, when they get to the roundabout, they'll indicate right as they're going into the roundabout for some stupid reason, not sure why. And then they'll indicate left as they exit the roundabout, which you can do, but it's not essential. And James up here isn't going to get confused when you've indicated right into the roundabout and then left out of the roundabout to go straight through. You just need to indicate left when you get out of the roundabout, or you don't indicate at all because you're going straight through the roundabout. It's that simple, okay? Now, oh, that's not wiping off. When you're wanting to go right at the roundabout, you know what indicator you use? You use your right indicator. Funny that, isn't it? So you're pulling into the roundabout, and as you're approaching the roundabout at about here, 3 seconds before the roundabout, you turn your right indicator on. Do you know why? Because you're going right, and you're going through the roundabout, you're going to turn right, and you're going to go out this exit here, and that is the right exit. Guess what? If you're wanting to go left, you know what indicator you use? You use the left indicator, and you indicate left, and you proceed left out of the first exit. For the next lesson on Waiariki Jones road safety, we're going to be going to the 2-lane motorway. And hopefully the alcohol wipes it off, which it should do. Now we've got a clean whiteboard. We're going to be going for the 2-lane motorway, or any 2-lane street that you're driving down. This is the centre of the road. I'm driving down the motorway, and we're driving on the left lane because we're in New Zealand. There is a car on my left hand side. If you are not proceeding faster than the flow of traffic, you need to be in the left lane. Keep left and less passing. There's 2 lanes on a motorway for one reason: to keep the flow of the motorway flowing. It's a freeway. You keep the motion of the traffic flowing in the direction that you want to go on, this way here. If you've got two cars in the left lane, both proceeding at the exact same speed, blocking up the traffic, it is no longer a freeway. It is a bloody congested rubbish dump. I don't know what you want to call it, but it is not a freeway, because some idiot in the right lane, I'm doing the speed limit. I don't give a shit. If you're driving down the motorway and you're in the right lane and you're proceeding the same speed as the left person, you're an idiot. This guy right here, you're wondering why this guy here, Waiariki Jones, is proceeding up your date. You know why? Because you're in the right lane, and the right lane is for passing on the freeway. So do the world and the rest of the Waiariki Jones a favour. Pull into the left lane and proceed slow, because the left lane is the slow lane, the right lane is the fast lane. Pull over and do the rest of us a favour.